Hello, parents, colleagues, and administration. My name is Melissa Dowless. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to come before you and speak about mathematics and my role as a kindergarten teacher. I have the wonderful opportunity to help build strong foundational skills daily in math. Math is more than just being able to count from 1 to 20. We want to enhance, develop our students' natural curiosity and logic. My goal is to give everyone an idea as to what kindergarten math looks like in the class as we are building those foundational elements. There are some grade level revisions with more clarification. Kindergarten focuses on numbers and quantities, addition and subtraction skills, creating a good understanding of place value in teen numbers, shapes, and measurement. For the 2017 North Carolina Math Standards Update, we have subitizing, which is students will be able to quickly recognize the number of objects without counting them, more explicit. Using real life stories and visuals, students learn to compose and decompose numbers. Place value is being introduced earlier now as not just as teen numbers, but they are 10 ones and some more ones. Math is more than just doing it, it is understanding it. And the changes will enable the students to do just that. This means that my lessons focus on helping your child, my students, have a deeper understanding of numbers. The revisions align with the research on how our young students learn math. The revision also will benefit the teacher to implement improved instructional planning. The standards for math implications. You push through the challenges. An example would be that provide students with some number cards, maybe through number 3 or 4 or 5 or number 6 on it. Give students an opportunity, give students a variety of manipulatives such as counters, two color chips, or Lincoln cubes. Then ask how many ways can you build the number 6 using the two parts. The goal is to allow students to explore the different combinations examples 1 plus 5, 2 plus 4, 3 plus 3, and so on. Students will push to find different combinations. We encourage them to explain their combinations and record them by using pictures or number bonds. Explain their thinking, having the ability to use strategies and tools more effectively, having the ability to recognize patterns and structures. For an activity, it could be pattern block code challenge. I would create cards that provide specific instructions or challenges for arranging pattern blocks. Pattern blocks are provided. So an example, A-B pattern, green, yellow, or a B-B pattern would be an example, red, red, blue. The goal of the task is to get the student to continue the pattern. Then take it a step further and let the student make their own pattern and then have a partner guess the rule. My students are doing more than just finding an answer. They can solve real world problems, explaining their thinking. Another example, show a picture of popular toys or snacks. Could be 4 balls in a bag and 3 more on the counter. The task is to tell a math story about the picture. What is the problem and can you solve it? They can use counters to model their thinking or draw it out. Encourage students to find different ways to solve the problems. Domain progression, how math concepts grow. Counting and cardinality is understanding numbers and counting groups of objects. Operations and algebraic thinking, how to join and separate sets. This is getting students ready for addition and subtraction. Numbers and operations in base 10 is understanding the structure and place value of teen numbers. And in geometry, identifying and describing 2D and 3D shapes. These domains will build on each other from grade level to grade level. Understanding progression helps me as a teacher with differentiated instruction, catering to each child's needs that will help students to be successful and do it confidently. There are some tools and some resources. There are a variety of instructional tools to enhance learning that makes math engaging and effective for our students. There's some technology tools. There's iReady. Our school district is currently using this here iReady tool. There's manipulatives, 10 frames, number lines, counters, and linking cubes that help make math concrete and visual. Math games and centers are accessible to practice subitizing and counting and promoting problem solving in interactive ways. There's a website, toolsforncteachers.com is a resource that is aligned with our standards with hands-on activities. And so to summarize and reflect, kindergarten math is about creating confidence, curiosity, and understanding. With updated standards and developmentally appropriate tools, students will be successful in their daily math experiences. Thank you for your partnership and support, and welcome to an exciting year of kindergarten math.